Going into the bike shed. All right, this is in the same exact spot that it was last week. I did not come back out here and pull any more wires or anything. I'm about to cut real quick. I'm gonna clean some of this up right in here. That way I can drain the oil in this thing and maybe, just maybe, get that engine out of the frame. I think that's the goal for today. I'm gonna forego the electrical or the rest of it and try and get this engine out. All right, I've come to a bit of a break here. The engine's getting ready to come out. I think I'm going to have to take this oil filter off to get to these front engine mounts. These four are loose, oil lines are off, this is loose. These two are loose, loose here. Drained all the fluids, drained the transmission, drained the engine oil, transmission oil. Pulled these various, I got a sensor here, there's another sensor on the other side. Top stabilizer link is off. I think we're getting to it. I think we are getting close. I'm gonna get all this. Oh yeah, I cleaned all this off. So I got a good spot for engine to go. Cleaned all this off, moved parts around, yada, yada, yada. If you saw my last YouTube short, you'll see that I got some parts in the mail. I have a crash bar. I think this is just an Amazon special, but I didn't give much for it. Used off Marketplace, good condition, not beat up. I kind of like mocked it up on there so it will fit. I have to get some hardware, but I got hardware coming. So I got that. Got front brake lines and a new splitter for the front brake, which the one on there is rusted to all get out. This one looks brand new. That was a Marketplace, same Marketplace deal on that. And then got a brake pedal for the mid-mount brake pedal and a shifter that is, I guess it would be better this way, Harley. So mid-mount, shift lever, brake lever, Facebook Marketplace deal. You know how it is.
No, I did not. It's right here. That's right. the moment of truth. I'm gonna put these on. Doesn't cover my arms, but.
Glad I didn't do squats today. I had one vent line holding me up. Is there something I need let's see that before.
Is it stuck?
Yeah.
You want me to just pull it off?
No. It's got a bolt or it's got a bolt on it.
Oh.
All right. Don't breathe on that thing too hard. It'll come off. Let's see. That back on later. Oh, back tag, man. Coming out. She's free. The engine is out. The frame is empty. And that is the end of this week's video. Because I've been doing yard work all day and I am a little tired. And now my arms are all thrashed. But I got that out. The transmission and the rear transmission mount is the same thing for the swing arm, so that'll have to be not next week's video but the week after that's video. And then the forks are going to come off in one piece. I don't know if I'm going to powder coat those or not yet, so those are going to come off. So transmission, wiring harness out, and then it'll be ready for powder coat. I got parts coming next week. I'm going to get parts on Friday. Thunder Beach. I'm going to 850's Speed Shop. 850 Speed Shop's bike night. He does it every Thunder Beach. It's freaking amazing. I don't go for Thunder Beach. I go for bike night at 850 Speed Shop. That is also who I buy all my parts from. So no discounts, no gimmies. I buy them all. Vaughn helps me out. I love dealing with him, and I love giving him my business. So if you're in Panama City or the Gulf Coast, go to 850. But that is it for today. The engine's out. So now I get to take this apart and put those heads on it after I go get gaskets and head studs from Vaughn and the cam chest from Vaughn. This will be freshened up. Then I can do powder coating, and then I will be able to get it back together and actually ride this thing. Hopefully, so he'll have another bike night in October, I believe it is, for the Fall Thunder Beach Rally. And normally I take the Performance Bagger, the Road Glide. Might take the Dyna the next time because that would be cool. Anyways, that's it for today's video. This was part 3, I think. Yeah, this was part 3, so stay tuned.